Goa India opened their medals account in style by winning gold medals in men's and women's table tennis event at Pede Indoor Stadium on Monday evening. In both the events, defending champions Portugal were on receiving end.
ये बड़ा मुकाबला दो मायनों में है। दरअसल एक तरफ दो बड़ी टीमें प्रतियोगिता में टॉप सीड और सेकंड सीड टीम इंडिया और पुर्तगाल। सीधी सी बात है, इस मैच के निर्णय से गोल्ड मेडल का फैसला होगा। इस बार कोई अवसर नहीं, सर्विस के सहारे ओपनिंग हासिल की और तेज तर्राट फॉरन डाउन द लाइन खेला। तीसरा मैच पॉइंट शामिनी के पास, लेकिन सर्विस एडवांटेज योहाना के पास। बहुत खूबसूरत जबरदस्त ब्लॉक ऑफ द मैच कहा जाए तो गलत नहीं होगा। ध्यान रखिएगा, ये मैच में जीत भारत को लूसोफोनिया गेम्स में पहला स्वर्ण पदक दिला सकती है।
और दोनों फ्लैंक्स में उन्होंने बहुत ही अच्छे शॉट्स लगाए और पूरी तरह से दबाव में रखा। हालांकि योना फिंच ने भी कुछ अच्छे शॉट्स खेले, लेकिन माधुरी का पटकर का जो अनुभव कुछ अलग ही था।
We didn't take much pressure since we have seen the Portuguese players playing before, like yesterday and all. Since we discussed with the coach and teammates, we played. We put according to the strategy, and it went on well, and we won.
They have done a real good job, and I try to help, and I try as much as I can, and sometimes it helps them, and sometimes maybe not so much, but we try together to stay as a team, right?
Are they good learners?
Hopefully, yes, and so far I'm happy with them.
Silva. There he is. Picks up this point, the important one, and wins the second match out here.
11 point to 7.
किया 6 मैच पॉइंट भारतीय अमल राज के पास। एक सेव किया।
10-5.
थोड़ा सा धैर्य रखना होगा अमलराज को। एंथोनी अमलराज दबाव में दिखाई दे रहे थे। सोमजीत के बाद मोमेंटम हासिल किया था जॉर्ज कोस्टा ने। अगले लम्हे में क्या होगा? अब सर्विस एडवांटेज 10-6 और इस तरीके से सोमजीत ने भारत के लिए ऐतिहासिक पल ईजाद किया।
Goa will not be the same after the Lusophonia Games. The world-class infrastructure created for the Games has changed the face of the state. This is the view of the Secretary General of ECLOP, Mario Rosa.
Though the Angolan administrator did not comment on whether the 270 crore infrastructure is better than that in Portugal and Macau, Mario Rosa praised the facilities that were created in a very short time.
País esportivamente mais avançado do que uma região como Goa, mas com a minha experiência de muitos anos, mais de 30 anos de gestão de provas internacionais, Goa desportivamente nunca será mais a mesma. Comparando com há 3, 4 anos atrás, não é possível referir. Goa evoluiu muito.
First of all, I would like to say that I'm one of the people that came here for many times to have inspection sites visits, and lately obviously we were extremely surprised because it was amazing how fast the infrastructures were put to work. And what I'd like to say is these are top world level infrastructures. And Goa will never ever be the same after this event.
Games Chief Executive Officer Keshav Chandra called upon the public to come to the stadia to watch the action.
To gain access. So we just threw it open. A sports lover coming to the door of the stadium should be given entry. That is the whole purpose.
It's a pity that lack of teams mean that the volleyball event is concluding in just 3 days.
One of the reasons could be we have staggered volleyball and basketball in the same stadium. As soon as volleyball will be over, basketball would start.
Sports editor Neeraj Prabhu with video journalist Tulsidas Chari from Panji.
And with this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent. Goodbye.
तुम्ही पळयतात Prudent. You're watching Prudent.